take that out also. You know, you can take that out like this, but don't do it right now. Just keep it as.
Sir, I also have 15 jumper wires.
Right, very good.
5 in each batch.
Right, very nice. Everybody?
Same, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So next is there should be capacitors like this. They are a different size, okay? There are different size capacitors. Those should be around 4.
Sir, I have a big one.
Yeah, big one, then small one. You should have, right? You should have say 4 of them.
Is this also
All I have 2, sir.
I have 4.
You have 2?
I have
Okay.
2.
I have 4.
I have 4.
Okay, very nice.
I have 4.
That is okay. If
Sir.
somebody has 2, somebody has 4.
Sir,
Keep
Is this a
note of that.
sir? Is
Sir,
this
is this
a
capacitor.
No,
Is
no,
this
that is
black
not
one?
capacitor.
This black one.
No, no, black one is a buzzer. Okay, if you
Oh,
have black one is a buzzer. It should be 1.
Yeah, it is 1. I have 4. This one. 4 capacitors.
Right. Yeah. Yeah,
Sir,
those
which
are
one?
the capacitors.
Sir, is this the buzzer?
No, that
Sir,
who
is
saying
this
that?
the capacitor? Is
Okay, the capacitor looks like it has got long wires. Okay, long
Sir,
wires towards
this-
it. So any color, it would be black, it would be orange. Yeah,
Sir,
that
like
is that
this?
is a capacitor. Okay, this is a capacitor.
But I only have 3, sir.
That's okay. That's okay. Keep a note of that.
I have 3 small one and 1 big.
Okay. Yeah, so there should be 4, but if you don't find it, keep a note that okay, I found 3. And then there is a buzzer also like this black one, and it has got some paper on it, and it has got small wires. So it is a bigger one, bigger than the. It looks like capacitor, but it's not a capacitor. It's just a smaller in height. Okay, it's a buzzer basically. Can you find one?
Yeah. Yes, I got it.
Yes, yes, right.
I have just one. Sir, this one.
Sir, I found one more
Yes.
capacitor now.
Yeah, okay, very good. That's it. Then you have got
And separate
What
one
are
for
these
small
called?
parts.
pardon?
What is this called?
That is called jumper wires.
Oh.
And then next one is a potentiometer. Do you find a small thingy has got 3 legs in it and it's a blue in color?
Yes.
Blue white.
This one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
I have the small one.
yes. Right. Keep it there. Okay, so everybody got the potentiometer also.
What is this? That blue one only, which you told right now?
It's a potentiometer.
Oh, potential. Sir, what is this?
Sir, I do have got. Is this the
That's a buzzer. That's a
potentiometer?
buzzer.
Sir, what is this?
That's a potentiometer. The blue one is a potentiometer with a white dot on it. Okay.
Sir, what is this?
This one.
Can you show
This
me?
is a potentiometer.
Yeah, yeah. The blue one is a potentiometer. It has got 3 legs.
What is this?
That's a jumper wire. Oh, that's a connector. So you have got the battery connector like this.
Yeah, sir, I have the old one also of last
Sir,
year.
I
Very
have
good.
black one.
I have a
Yeah,
black
that-
one and a red one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is okay.
Black color.
I have
Okay.
separated them into parts.
Very nice.
That's told.
Okay. Then next thing is a switch. Have you got a switch, a black switch
Yes.
which moves, toggle around?
Sir, I got like this one.
Yeah, that's yeah, right. That's a switch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it has got
Sir,
3
does it
legs.
have 3 legs?
Yes, yes.
Sir, this.
Right, right.
It moves.
Yeah, it moves. Okay. Then you have got LEDs also. 15 LEDs should be there. Like
I need to count, sir.
Sir, each color? I also have to.
there are different colors, but somebody may have a single color.
I have 2 green.
2 green. Count all of them.
Sir, I have 15.
Sir, small or big?
Small, big, both.
Sir, I have 15.
Okay, very good, very good.
I also have 15.
Everybody should have 15, but 1 or 2 here and there, it can be misplaced. So now you have to take care of those components.
Sir, I have all the things in proper amount.
Very nice.
Amount.
Sir, I joined a little bit late because my issue. I think so. I have 28. Sorry. Sir, I think 21 or 22.
Who joined little late?
What you said?
Paki.
Paki. Okay, Paki. No problem. So
Sir,
what
can
we
I
have
open the
done
batteries?
now, we have opened a packet where it is written 4th standard or 5th standard. We have opened that and we have seen that we have got different materials in it. Okay. So we have got
Sir, I
breadboard.
have 20.
Okay, very nice.
Sir, I have everything in perfect amount.
Okay, so for few students who are new, they have got 2 packets. That's why they could have mixed it together and they would have seen, oh, I have got 20 LEDs or maybe more than that. So just don't jumble between those 2 packets. Keep it separate because the new student will again go through the, our previous.
Sir, this packet? Sir, I got only 1 packet.
Yeah, that's okay. Old students would have only 1 packet. New students would have 2 packets.
I am new.
Okay, new, who is this?
Sir, I don't have it.
Okay.
Sir, I think so. I jumbled them.
Okay, that's okay.
Sir, what is this for?
At least right
Sir,
now,
now I have.
everyone should have a packet which has got breadboard. Is everyone having that?
Yes, sir. Breadboard.
Yeah. That is what
Yes,
we
sir.
want today.
This breadboard, white color.
Right.
There is a yellow double-sided tape behind it.
Right.
Rishita, you have it? This bread,
Sir, my plug is not fitting in the battery.
breadboard is important. Yeah.
Circle in this one. It is not getting.
Okay, let's figure it out later on why it is not fitting. Everybody okay? Everyone now? Everybody checked it?
Yes. All 3 like those.
So that's a capacitor you are showing to me, Swara. Yeah, that's a breadboard connect. Okay, everyone, let's move now. Yeah, next move to the next thing.
Sir, what is called this?
Sir will tell you. Hold on.
Sir, what is this? Sir, what is this?
Oh, so that is, keep that packet. Don't open that packet, Kanak. That's a different packet. Keep it safe, but okay, what I have told you, whoever joined new, you have to make sure you have a box like this, right? Or this, whatever you have at home. Just keep everything there. The small components you can misplace here and there, so keep it there. Don't keep it in that white bag because it can tear down and it can fall down anywhere. So you have to make sure. Okay, fine.
What is this?
Sir, my plug is not getting fit into the battery.
Okay, I will tell you how to
Sir
fix
will
that.
tell you. Let us not just wait. Everybody wait now. Let us move forward.
Yes.
Very
Okay,
good.
now first thing is safety, right? So let me share this thing because that's very important.
Be quiet, everybody. Mute your lines if there is a background noise. If you're mute your lines, everybody.
Okay, we will see. Okay, hold on for your question right now. We have to discuss very important thing.
Yes.
We have to follow some safety rules while doing experimentation. Okay.
I'll be asking questions on this. Okay, just listen carefully. Nobody do anything right now. Just listen to this.
Yeah, so everyone should follow this irrespective whether you are at school or at home. Okay.
Yes.
So in a class, when we are there, so when we are experimenting, okay, so you have to be somebody elder should be supervise you. I know you are now little elder, but still for safety purpose, we need to, our parents or our teacher need to know what you are doing with electronic stuff. Okay. So you always experiment when there is somebody elder around and you told them that you have to tell them that, okay, I am doing this. Okay. Before you start doing it, not after you mess up, right? Then you know that you have electric wiring at home, right? You have different wires, then different plugs at home. Never ever, okay, never ever play with those plugs. Okay, those are a very high current, high voltage. Okay, whatever electronics I have given to you, it is not to play with those wires. It is to play independently when we have sessions like this. Okay, so you don't have to jumble between the wires which are hanging at our home, the plugs hanging at our home. Okay, never mess with them. Okay, because those are quite dangerous. Though we have safety precaution for that also, but just to make sure we don't play with them, always make sure that you don't play with those connections. Okay, outside the whatever I have given to you. Then you have battery, right? And then you got these connectors. And right now Arnav said, oh, I could not able to connect. Okay, so it is good that you experiment with this stuff, right? But whenever to come with battery, you never ever keep this connected. Okay, there is a possibility that you can keep this connected and keep it some just like this somewhere. Okay, so you have to make sure you don't connect this and keep like this, right? Always, whenever you're done with your work, keep this away, keep it away, keep the battery away, right? That's another thing. Fourth thing is always keep the battery near to the cool place, not towards the gas, our burner, or whatever heat like a oven. Okay, never keep this item or this battery near to the hot surface areas. Okay, hot areas. Always keep it somewhere in a cool place, right? In a cupboard. Okay. And in case, just in case, unfortunately, you find something is burning, something is, some smoke is coming out, immediately stay away from it, show it to your parents, okay, before touching it, right? Always keep that in mind that many things your parents know, right? But you may not be knowing. So how to take a action, right? So you have to always make sure that whenever there is a smoke or there is some kind of accident, you see it's happening, some heating going on, just immediately show it to your parents. If I am there, you can immediately show it to me. But since you are at home, so it's always good advice that you show it to your parents.
Sir, last year my LED got burned in the school only.
So tell me,
I was there, right?
the question for you: what should be the right place to sit and do this experiment? What is
In
the
a
right
cool place.
Sorry.
Cool place?
A cool place. A cool place.
Yeah, but can we sit on the bed or can we sit?
No, sir. If a little bit of electricity goes in a very little part of the bed can set out on fire.
Yes. So where should we sit? Where should we sit?
Because cotton
A
can
table and chair.
Table and chair, or can we sit on the floor also without anything, right? Can be sitting on the floor, it's much safer.
Yes.
Or never sit on a bed because that's a very dangerous place. Second,
Yes, it can catch
sir
fire.
was asking you if there is a wire hanging somewhere in the house or the plug which has a wire which is cut. Can you play around with that wires which are
No.
No, sir, no. Not at all. It is the electricity voltage is about 200 voltage.
230? Yes, you're right.
Very
So
good.
You could get a huge electric shock.
yeah, so you should, if there is any open wire in any part of your house or when you go to friend's house, any wire you see it open, what you will do?
We'll tell to our parents.
Yes, you should not touch it. You should tell parents or whoever is elderly available there, tell them that this is not safe. because you understand, but your little one cannot understand, right? Your little brother or sister. So you need to make sure that you are mentoring it and guiding and protecting the little ones. Okay? So make sure that anything that is not safe, you are not touching it. Any burn, sir also mentioned it. If you see any flame or any smell or anything that you feel it's not right, you should inform parents. Okay, and okay, now one more question. Can you, after doing this experiment or during the experiment, can you touch your face, mouth, or eat something during this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, electricity.
No, electricity is okay, but when you touch the wire, can you eat something or can you touch your
No,
face?
the dust. No, the dust.
Yes, so because these are all battery has chemicals, you know, some of the stuff is there which is not good, right?
Yeah, mercury.
It is.
Graphite
It has
is
a
there.
chemical which is not.
Yeah, so it is not safe to touch the, your hands to the mouth or a face or to the eyes. So you should always be keeping your hands away from your face during the experiment or during this period. And after this, or you should just wash it with the soap. Okay. All right. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
No, yeah, thank you, sir. Okay, so I hope everybody got the points. Okay, everybody shall take care of those points, right? And also explain to your younger brother, sister as well, right? And to also explain to your parent that you have to, you will take care of these points going forward. Okay, so your parents would be also aware, and they will be confident that they are okay you doing experiment under their supervision. Okay. Okay, so last time when we just for new students, we had done some not experiment, but we did create circuits, right, on papers. We had these papers like this. Yeah. Anybody recollect?
Fourth standard.
Yeah, what this?
New student.
I've read about this.
God, sir. Fifth
Yeah.
student we are talking.
So I have the third standard kit.
Oh, who has got one? Because new students should have the one. Yeah. We are going to,
I have it.
yeah, we are
Right
going to
now.
build. Okay.
We
that's-
have
Not
boxes,
here.
sir. We have boxes. So grade 5 we will distribute.
Sir,
Yeah.
mine is still in school.
Okay, still in school. Okay, no problem. Old student, that's okay. Old student, that is okay.
Now, listen to sir now.
So whoever
I don't have my
hasn't
kit.
got the new, out of new student who hasn't got, you will get it. Okay, soon. Okay, so we are going to have different session for this card building circuits. It will be, you will learn both the things. So you will learn on breadboard, you will learn on the circuit on a paper also, right? So whenever anybody start learning electronics, it's, you don't know where to start with, right? So we have started with playing with the paper cards like this. We have built a circuit on a paper. Okay. So now
Yeah.
same circuit, we will be building on a breadboard on this. All right.
Ah,
Okay. So can you tell me, let's go to the basic. Can you tell me what is flowing in the wires in your house?
electric current.
Electricity.
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 Okay. Okay.
Electricity.
And what do you know?
In the wires of our house, there is also copper.
Oh, very nice. Okay. So you have electricity flowing in a house, which is starting your fans, which is, making you cook food in an oven. It is making geyser on, making heat the water. It is making a washing machine on,
Light bulbs.
refrigerator. Okay. So the amount of work being done in those machines is very high, right? You cannot run a washing machine by hand, can you? No, right?
No.
So amount of electricity goes in those machines is very high. So that's why the amount of current which is passed through these wires which comes to our house is very high. Okay, so that's why we told that don't play with that because that's a very dangerous.
Sir, it has very high voltage.
Right.
very high.
But, yeah, but when I tell you that, okay,
So
yeah,
some batteries also have mercury in them, and it's very poisonous.
okay, okay. All right.
And
So
this
when I
battery, it
when
has
I
zero
when I tell
mercury.
you let's play with the battery, what do you think? What?
Sir,
Yeah.
and we shall also not keep the batteries in a place where thunderstorm occurs very much.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Or
Right.
else the electricity will go in there, and then we will
Okay.
hit the
Sir, the electricity over there which come down is so high that our TV can explode.
Right. Right. No problem.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start
Voltage.
making something now. Okay.
Yes.
And we'll understand what to do next. Right. So it will keep you excited. Okay. Let me share my screen again.
And now for that we have earthing system, and so that will not happen. So don't worry.
So get a breadboard and then get a connector. Okay, and you have to connect your wires. Can you see? Let me make it full screen.
So your table is not visible.
Can you see the connect breadboard slide or you can't?
No, sir.
Wait
Sir,
a
we can see it.
minute. Just a minute. Just let me share it again.
Sir, we can see it. It is clearly visible.
Yeah, we could see it.
It's
Is
clearly visible.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Can you see this?
Clearly yes, visible. Sir. Yes, like this. Sir,
Okay,
it is like this, no?
Okay. Now let's get our hand working. Connect the red wire
Yes.
to the red side. There is a positive written. So red is always remember red is positive, black
Red
is
is
negative.
positive and black is negative.
Right? So can you connect the red wire from the connector to the positive side and the black wire to the negative side?
Okay, sir. Sir, but how can I connect? Sir, it is done already. It was very easy.
Okay.
Sir, is it like this one? Very easy, sir. Done.
Wait, let me see.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. But put the both. There is a positive and there is a negative. So you have to.
Correct now. Sir, this is correct.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Connected. Is the next step? Do you have to connect the battery?
Okay, like
No,
this.
not now.
No, battery is the last. Battery is the last. Initially, you have to. Right, correct. Correct, Swara.
Done.
But make sure you have connected the red to the positive and black to negative. There is a sign on a breadboard, okay? Right. Okay.
Like this? Sir, it got two curves. Sir, we have to put the red on the plus sign and black one on the minus sign.
Right. Can you see my video also, or you can see the picture also on a PPT, right?
Sir, we can see it. I can see
Okay.
the photo, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir. It's coming off.
Okay, it's coming out.
Sir,
Then
which side?
keep it on table. Any side.
Sir, which side? Yeah.
Keep it on a left side though. Right now, keep it on a left. Just like I shown on a picture. Just keep it on a left side.
Sir, but I kept on the left.
That's okay. That's okay.
Right.
That's okay.
See, if anyone requires parents' help, please call parents. Okay.
Right.
Teachers are always around. And now teachers are not there, so parents can be around. Okay. So if you need help, please call.
Yeah.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I tell you what problems could occur. Okay. What happens is these wires, you see these wires, sometimes those get broken off. Okay. And there is no wire coming out. So that time you have to tell parents, can you plug me a wire out? Because it may not be easy for you to plug the wire. Okay. So that's why you have to have metal part out, which can go inside the hole of a breadboard, right? So that could be the problem you can face in future. Since it's new, you may not face this right now, but in future you can face. All right, everybody done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now second part. Connect the resistor. Get any resistor, whichever available to you, brown, green, whatever. And you, everybody got the resistor, yeah? You can see on the screen there are resistor. It looks like this. Okay, and then you have to put one leg to the red side of a breadboard, and then another side. Yeah, that's right. And take any, and bend the legs so that it becomes like a U, so that it's easy to insert in the breadboard.
Sir, like this.
Last year you have already used
I think new
resistor.
kids maybe having questions.
Yes, and you can find out what those belts.
Yeah, that's a resistor. Right.
Sir, I have not got the resistor.
Yeah, why there are
You would get
bands on?
blue one. Have you got blue one like this?
Yes, sir.
Like this? That's a resistor.
Yes.
Sir, is this correct? Sir, this one?
Yeah, this one. Right now, Navya. Just take take out the paper out, because you don't want to use that paper, and just bend the legs, so that it will be easy.
Then, sir.
Possible you can move your camera instead of picking up the whole breadboard.
Yeah, put the camera, because when you,
The ends?
Swara, I cannot see your register there. Is it there?
Register,
Because of-
No, resistor, you have to still.
Sir, paper at the end?
Yeah, take out the paper.
Sir,
You see the PPT also, right? PPT, you can see the PPT on the screen, which I shared. Focus on that, how it is being placed.
brown, black, red field.
Yeah, Shravay. Show it again. Better
Sir,
show
can
it.
you show resistor again?
Yeah.
Shravai,
sir.
done. Shravai, it looks okay. Yeah.
Yes. Good job.
Shravai, then old student must be comfortable doing it.
Sir,
Yeah,
is it correct?
Ashna, that's okay. Yeah,
Sir, is this correct?
Yes, so instead of picking up your breadboard,
That's
you can
correct,
adjust
Arnav.
your camera. Okay?
That's
So
okay,
that
Arnav.
focus is on the table.
Sir, is it correct? Sir, is this the resistor?
Who is saying that?
Paki.
Paki, can you see on screen? It's a blue one.
Sir, is this right?
Let me see. Wait.
From last year students.
Yeah, that's right. Swara, that's okay.
What is the role of resistor? Who remember that from last year student?
Speed breaker. Equally. Divides the current equally to bulbs. The voltage speed breaker. Speed breaker. It divides the current. Yeah.
It divides.
It divides the current in two circuits.
Okay.
Ali,
We will see if it divides or it reduces.
yeah, you think of one pipe of water and suppose on that we tie a rope, right? Then the flow will reduce. If you tie the rope even harder, like very tight, then the flow will be very less. So it is like they are tying a rope on the water pipe.
When done.
Like a speed breaker. They're done.
Then speed breaker, you can say you are pressing the pipe, you are holding the pipe to reduce the water flow. So something like that you can.
Register.
Okay, everybody done? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's
Yes,
move.
sir.
Okay, now who is going to tell me? Okay, pick the LED. Everyone pick the LED.
Sir, any LED?
Any LED, black, blue, whatever color you have. And can anybody tell me what is the anode, what is the cathode in it?
Sir, this is the LED.
Yeah, this is the LED. Where is the cathode? Where is the anode? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, anode is the positive one and cathode is the negative one.
Yes.
Yeah, very
And
good.
we have one small and one big. Sir, the bigger leg one is the positive one and the shorter leg one is the negative.
Very good, very good. So now you can see on a screen, on a PPT, that we have connected. There is a single, wherever you put a resistor, on the same line, you put a positive side of a LED, the bigger side. Okay, so LED, you can see LED, there is a bigger leg. So you put in a same row where there is a bigger leg of a LED. See on a PPT, you can imagine that, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you have fixed the resistor, put the positive side
Yeah, right.
and all. Okay.
Sir, positive side means. Sir, which is the positive and which is the negative? The longer one is the positive and the shorter one is negative. Yes. Okay. Sir, I think so. I've done it.
Yeah, very
Sir,
good.
is it correct?
Very good, Swara.
Sir, is this correct?
Okay, we'll come to know whether it's correct or not. If it's blink, then it's correct. If it's not, then it's not.
Sir, we have to leave two numbers of.
Because we cannot see very clearly, that's why I could not tell you whether it's correct or not. But once everything is done, then you can confirm the circuit. Yeah, very good, Swara.
Sir, what are you taking?
क्या करना क्या है? सर ने कैसे फिक्स किया? एक ही लाइन में है ना वो? तो वहाँ कहाँ ले जा रही है? इसको इस लाइन में ले जाना है ना, इसी लाइन। किस नंबर पे करना है वो कुछ बताया क्या? समझे? कैसे भी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, किसी पे भी कर लो।
Sorry, sir, I just.
You have to just see that wherever the resistor we have put, on that, in that row you have to put
No, we have to put. Answer.
the bigger side.
नहीं
Longer
leg. So you have got longer leg, you have got shorter leg.
Sir, is this correct?
Yeah. So don't worry if it's correct or not correct. Whatever you see and you can imagine, just do that way. We'll come to know whether it's correct or not, and we can shuffle it around. That's a beauty of breadboard, because you can play around, right? So someone, if you fail first time, I will congratulate you, because then you will learn that what thing failed. Then you will learn more than the one person who has got success in a first go. Okay, so whoever doesn't blink the light first time, that's okay. You will learn many things. Everybody done?
Ashna, you're able to do it? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Can we move ahead? Yeah, very good, Paki.
So who will tell me why do we use the resistor here?
Sir, resistor divides the current. Resistor is the speed breaker.
Yeah, it is.
To control the current flowing in the circuit and
Yeah,
also to divide it.
It divides. Okay. Is it dividing?
Shravay, are you silent? Very silent, Shravay.
Shravay? Why are we using resistor?
We have to reduce the current flowing
of the electricity in the circuit, so we put the resistor to slow it down.
Very nice.
Okay, very
Oh.
good.
So the power, if it is more, only resistor can reduce it, right?
Okay, let's move. If everybody done, okay, can you help me understand this wire? I need to put a one jumper wire now from the negative side of a LED to the negative side of a wire, of a connector wire. You can see on the screen, okay? Which wire you will use? There are three types of wire you have. Which wire you will use? Right, very good. Yeah, right. So I would use the wire which has got wire, both the side there are pins, okay? So this is a jumper wire with both the side there are pins. This is called male to male wire, okay? There are different types, I will explain you later, but right now you have to pick the wire which has got pins at both the sides. So one pin would come from the row, you know, the
Sir, should it look like this? Sir, we can take any.
yeah, right.
Both sides.
Right, both the side there should be pin.
No. Sir, but which color?
Any color would do. So do you think color would matter to them, to the current? Like, don't like, they are not like you. You like pink color, you like blue color, but they don't worry. They don't,
No, I like blue.
it doesn't matter to them, for the current at least.
Sir, like this?
Yeah, right. Kaki.
Sir, like this? You should have pins on both. So now we have to connect it to the breadboard.
Yeah, now you have to connect it to the one leg of the LED, which is not connected. Keep it on the same row.
Sir, wait a minute.
Keep it on the same row, and then keep it on a. So now you are not correct.
Sir, it is glowing. The bulb.
Okay, you now move ahead. I don't know. Just wait for others, right?
Sir, is it okay?
Yeah, that should be okay. Make sure, Rishita, your LED wire, LED leg, and the wire which you have put is in the same row, and then keep the other point in a negative side of a connector. Okay, where we have put battery, right? Battery we have put. You can see on a PPT, can you? You can see that, right? Yeah, correct, Sora. Okay, just show me again one more time.
Just a minute, sir. Sir, now we are going to add a switch, right? Sir, I am not able to connect the jumper wire in the this.
You have to put any row. In a row, any hole you can select. But it should be in the same row.
No, sir. This is not only connecting only to the box.
To the breadboard?
Yes.
Can you see? Like this, you have to connect in a same hole row of the holes. Everybody done? How many of you done?
Sir, I am done.
Okay.
Sir, should it look like this?
Okay.
Sir, I have done it. Should it look like this?
Right.
Sir, I don't have the battery.
You don't, who doesn't have? You have to get a one battery, yeah?
Sir, I do not have a battery.
That's okay. You can check once battery is there, but okay, when parents are there, right? Done everyone, circuit?
No, sir, just a minute.
Now, Navya, you are there, right? You are doing it. Okay. Everybody else? All right. Yeah, very good. Now,
Bulb is glowing.
yes, can you see if you can connect the battery? Is it glowing? If it's not, then take out the battery quickly. Okay, very good.
Sir, it is growing. It is glowing very nicely.
Mine is glowing as well. Can you see it?
Very good. Anyone else? Success, failure?
I don't have a battery. Sir,
Who
see,
is not working?
Sir, see, it is glowing.
Okay.
Very good, Arnav.
Sir,
Any-
I succeeded.
Very good. Who else?
Sir, I don't have a battery, so I don't know what will
That's okay. That's okay. You can keep it, and then when you get a battery, just connect it. Okay. Who else? Done.
Sir, do we have to keep it connected? Sir, can you give a switch if can you show the battery? If in case the battery was connected to the connector very hard, so I had to pull it with my full energy, but it didn't break. That's why.
Okay. Arnav, you can experiment with the switch then, with the parents' guidance. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone, who else? Who else successfully done? It's okay if it's failed. That's okay.
Not
Then
me.
Kanak, what happened?
Sir, I am not able to connect the jumper wire.
Oh, is it? Are you connecting only one? Are there any? See the holes which are you can put. Then you can move your circuit completely there.
It is not fitting only in any hole. Like this one.
So can
Whose
you
circuit not working? Can you tell me, Navya? Your wires are not getting inserted, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, my circuit is not working.
can you show it towards camera? Your breadboard towards the camera. So
Okay,
can you
Kanak.
Sir, can we do something else even?
hold on.
Sir,
Can you show it towards camera? It is not visible.
Can you go to the next slide, sir?
Arnav, wait for others. They have to finish, right?
So can you show the breadboard towards camera?
Sir, I failed. Battery.
See, look at sir's breadboard.
Can you see this? Can you see? Okay, so from red, I put a resistor in the same row where red wire is connected from the battery. In the same row, I put one leg of a resistor and any point on the breadboard. On the same row, I put a LED's longer length.
The resistor was.
You can plug it off then. And then on another line, so you can see, yeah, everyone. So there should be both legs of the resistor and the leg of a LED should be in the same row. Similarly, another leg of the LED and the jumper wire should be in the same row. Can you check that? Okay, current to flow, it has to go through the same. Okay.
Sir, can you
So that-
please tell me how to attach a switch?
Hold on.
Hold on, Arnav.
Hold on, beta.
Okay, wait, let's pay attention now. Just keep it aside.
See what
Okay, I will
sir is
send you
showing.
this PPT and I will show, you can just follow that with your parents again one more time. Okay, or you can connect to Arnav Khedkar. He is the champion. You can connect to Arnav. Then who has done? Who else?
Sir, I have
Swanik also done. Okay, Ayuk, you have also done. Arnav here from on my desk he's also done. Who else?
Sir, last year also I not done yet.
Okay, you have to connect with your friends and see, right?
Sir, if
Okay.
it is done, can we share it on the
Yeah,
same
very
group?
good. Sure, you're done. Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay.
ma'am.
I know you need a little help from your parents.
Swara, show it. What has happened?
Yeah, that's working.
Sir, I don't have any battery. Working.
Okay.
We
that's-
don't have a battery. Don't worry. That's okay.
Okay, now let me explain the breadboard now. Okay.
See this. This is very important.
Because the battery is charged.
Listen,
Okay.
listen what sir is explaining. Listen to
Okay,
it.
now breadboard. I will explain a breadboard now. So you will understand what is going wrong. Okay. So breadboard, you have breadboard like this. There is a sticky paper backside. I just removed it. Okay, I just removed it.
You don't remove it, okay?
You don't remove, okay?
Yeah,
You,
sir is
otherwise
showing
you have to
you
buy
don't
another one. Can you see the? Can you see something? So Rose, wherever you connected the battery, so these are the same row. So like a wire, you know, it's a wire, a metal wire you can say, but there are holes on the other side. Okay, and one side it's a common wire, a single wire going through, and then there is another wire going through completely. And where we have connected battery, we have connected on this side of the holes, the battery we have connected. So these two wires will always carry a current. Okay, positive, negative only, right? So those are not connected. You can see those are not connected. There is a minor separation there, because if it's connected, then it's like short and then battery would burn off. Okay, so these are two different connections. One is positive, one is negative. And then we have plugged one resistor and plugged in one of the rows here, right? So these rows are connected. You can see these are connected, interconnected. So the holes here in one row are connected to each other. So whenever you put a resistor there, you put a leg also of a LED, right? So that why it is carrying the current. If you put in another row, it will not carry the current and your circuit will not burn. Light will not, blink. So that's why you have to make sure that your current, while carrying the current, it should go in a closed circuit. It shouldn't be open anywhere. Yeah, Shavai, that's good. Everyone understood? I know it's little difficult for some of you. That's okay.
Sir, I understood it because I was there in last year. It was very easy.
Okay,
Yeah, that's.
Navya, can you show what is the current?
I did it in one go.
Sir, it got connected.
It got connected?
Sir, the LED glowing.
Okay, can you check can you put the battery and see if it's glowing? Yeah.
Positive and negative. Positive red side.
Can you see it?
Okay, now I will tell you where could the problem occur. Okay, whoever who has not able to blink, make sure you follow I will send out a PPT in a group on a workspace. Okay, you have to follow the circuit as it is shown on a PPT, right? And then you have to connect.
Yes.
Kanak, is it not blinking?
Sir, can you see it? So can you see it? I don't have a battery.
That's okay. You can connect later on.
Sir, mine is working.
Sir, is my socket correct? I think the battery is discharged.
Is it?
Sir, see, mine is working. I'll show you in a minute.
Yeah, Arnav, I got you. Ashna, have you done?
It's glowing.
Hello.
Sir, I have done, but it is not blinking.
It's not blinking. Okay. So can you see that your as shown on PPT? Can you check your circuits?
One is in the positive check. The LEDs are connected on the same row.
So positive, a red wire coming from the battery goes to positive, black wire goes to negative. Then one leg of a resistor comes from the red row where we have connected our battery wire, red wire, goes to one of the holes on the right hand side. In a same row, we put a LED with a big leg. Okay, you can put, if it's not working, though your circuit looks the same as shown in a picture, try to switch the legs. Okay, turn the legs in reverse direction of a LED.
Like this.
And if it's not still working, okay, because we are already crossed 1 hour, what you can do is you can take a picture, close picture of your circuit, and we have created a workspace group of electronics. Join there, put it your circuit, a close picture of a circuit, and I will tell you what is going wrong. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Actually, mine is nothing going wrong. It is just glowing in one.
Please discharge because everything is fine.
Okay, very good. So whoever failed this time, actually it's a very good, because you will learn now how the breadboard works correctly. And you will learn then whether you have put LED in a different direction, whether you have put a complete circuit in a properly or not. So this is the learning things for you, right?
It's glowing, sir. It can help me in dark environment.
Okay.
In a bedroom, I can.
Share, I want to share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Just I'll share screen.
Okay, everyone else just show picture your circuit and show it on a workspace. Okay, paste it. I will check those circuits.
So, sir, I have shared this picture.
Yeah.
Children, you see, you remember this picture? Last year also, I think I have shown you. So, like, this is the pipe. Similarly, from wire, the ampere, the current is going, right? So, this is a wire and the current is going. The volt is pushing the current. Volt will help the current to flow, but resistor, it will block the current. It will try to tie the current. Okay, it will not allow the current to flow smoothly. Okay, so more the resistance, it will difficult for current to pass. So how is this picture?
Ma'am, it's funny.
It's funny presentation of the difficult law that the volt helps in pushing, right, the current, and the resistor is trying to stop the current. It's that simple. The resistor is trying to stop the current. Okay. Sir, you want to explain something?
Yeah. So when you open a tap of water, when you open it very quickly, the water comes very fast, right? And when you want to slow down, you turn it a bit, and then it goes very slow, comes very slow. Resistor is just like that. But resistors having this resistor which I shown, which we are using, has got only one setting. So it can only have, just like your tap, it doesn't have various settings, right? When you open the tap, you can slow the speed of a water based on your requirement. Okay, when you want to wash the, let's say, dishes, you make a faster. But when you want to wash your hand, you make it slower, right? But this resistor is not like that. This is just only one. It can only do one thing. It can maybe high, below, or very low. So right now we can see that LED may be blinking. Somebody for very bright, somebody very light. Okay, dim. I mean. So based on the resistor, it can change the light intensity. Okay. So what I would like to do, whoever has completed the circuit, there are 5 different resistors given to you. Change the resistor. Okay. Change the resistor and see what brightness you are getting, and create a table like this. Okay. Let me share this with you. I want this is to be done as an extension of the activity. So you just see. Because there are 5 different resistor I have given to you, we have given. So what you have to do is, just let me share, ma'am.
Okay, I will stop sharing.
Okay, can you see my screen now? So what you have to do, so there is only one resistor we have worked today. Okay. Just based on your imagination or what your observation, a register has got different bands on it. Okay, register has got different coloring on it. So just write those bands there in a one row, in a one column, and then how much brightness you see. Okay, so it could be relative. Okay, for first register it could be medium, for second register it could be high, for fourth it would be very low. So likewise, you have to create a table, and then you have to observe what are the light intensity you are getting with different registers. So you just have to plug the register which is currently there, put the another one, see what the brightness of a LED, right? Can you do this today or maybe whenever you get time in coming week?
Sir, are we going to do more than one circuit?
So you have to keep the circuit same, just disconnect the battery, plug out the register, put the another register because you have got different registers, right? So put another register, see the brightness of a light and note it down, okay? And you also note it down the colors on color coding on that register, okay? Have you got it? Is that okay with everyone? If you don't get it, okay, let's try to fix your problem first. Give me the pictures of your circuit whose it is not working, and even it is working, put it on a workspace. I will look into them and I will let you know what is going wrong.
Thank you very much, Atul sir. I hope the class was interesting. You all are busy now with electronic stuff also. Okay,
Yeah.
but children, please take care of the, of your time. You should not be spending time in just one thing. Okay,
Right.
you are doing electronics, little time for electronics, and then other subjects also. Similarly, if you are playing chess, little bit of chess, and then other subjects. It should not be like, you are just into that. Okay, we are children, right? You all are children, so you have to learn each and every subject. And when you are in 10th or 11th, that time you can select that which is the best subject, which one you like the most. Okay, but right now I heard that some of you are playing lot of chess. That is not good. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Don't forget to put the pictures.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, sir. Bye. Let's end the meeting here.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.